Hi guys! So in today's video we're gonna react to ATEEZ, and I asked my best friend Gabby to give me the top 3 songs that she would recommend me to listen to, because ATEEZ is like, I don't know if they're like number 2 or 3, but they're up there. I think her number 1 is BTS. I'm not 100% sure, but she's more into boy groups than I am, and so I fully trust her on this, okay? So the 3 songs that she recommended to me were Deja Vu, Bouncy, and Fireworks. I'm hoping I remember that right. But she put Deja Vu in all caps with an emoji, so that one is gonna go first. And yeah, let's just get started. So the last ATEEZ video that I reacted to was Crazy Form.
What if perfect?
And that shit was crazy. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa, that's a cool logo. Okay, already off to a strong start. Oh my god, the way they're standing! I still don't know any of their names, by the way. Only Choi San, because of Gabby. Oh, I like him. Ooh. Wait, I kind of like all of them. Stop. I can't. Do I know this song? It sounds familiar. I'm sure I've heard it somewhere, because that part I know. The flow. Who is he? Who is he? Sorry. I have a very soft spot for rappers, and these two, I need to know who they are. Please drop it down. Please. Oh-hoo-hoo! Oh-hoo-hoo! I get it with Choi San. I get it, Gabby. I get it with all of them, but like Choi San is insane. Ooh. Ooh. I want you so bad. Ooh. Ooh. Also deep voices I really love. What? Ooh, I love that. I love that. Oh, I like the ending. Oh, I love his flow. Oh, I love that he ends it. Please tell me who he is, please. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Oh. What? What? Hey? Not the ad. Okay, all done. Okay, we're just gonna get right into the next one before I say anything, because I'm not gonna shut the fuck up. Okay, so the next one is Bouncy. Okay, Hot Chili Peppers? What? Wait, what? I don't get that. Okay, I'm excited, but I'm nervous. I don't know if I'm ready. What? Wait, that set looks like Crazy for me a little bit, no? No, I'm probably wrong. Ooh! I got time, but it's not for you, bro! Ooh! Woohoo! Oh! I'm digging this one a lot. Oh, they're lit as fuck. I can't. If you guys can see my goosebumps. The high note. Oh, I know this part. Ow! Ooh! Ooh! Oh, the goosebumps! Oh my gosh! Bias. Bias. Oh my gosh! Oh! The way he still looks good like that, I can't. Why are you looking at me like that? It makes me nervous. Oh! 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 Ah! What the? Oh, he's so fine. I cannot. Okay. Ooh. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. My mouth just made a weird noise. I like it how their music video has like an ending scene like this. Wait, I know that song too. That sounds familiar. What the fuck? I have so much to say, but I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it. So fireworks, is it this one? This is the only one that's showing up. So I'm gonna say it's this one. Oh, it is. Okay. Okay, why did it prank me like that? All right. I don't know if I'm ready for this one too. Is this one more calm or also lit as heck? Oh, hold on. Let me shut the fuck up. I feel like the sound is really low. Okay. I feel like this is also gonna be hard to do. He looks good in that suit. Ooh, he's fine. Oh my my god! I get it. I get it now. Ooh! 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 I like this one a lot too. Damn. Oh, I liked that. Choice sign is fucking me up. Oh! Oh! Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. Mmm. They're insane. Who's he? I like him too. Mmm. He's so pretty. I love the rappers. He's the one with the insane flow. Their dances go so hard. Oh, his voice. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I seriously love that concept of having a scene like that at the end of the music video. Oh, who is that though? It just leaves you wanting more. Like, damn. Out of all three songs, the one that I know that I knew for sure was Bouncy. I've heard that everywhere. So Vegas has this K-pop party that goes on somewhere on the strip like once in a blue moon, and they were playing that at the club, and I was like, this is fire. But I also hear it a lot on TikTok and Instagram. It's just like everywhere. I didn't know it was ATEEZ this whole freaking time. I only knew the chorus, the bounce, da da down, da 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 da. Okay, so the chorus in itself is already lit, but hearing it as a whole song, the whole song goes freaking hard. Why have I not gotten into ATEEZ before? Like, that's my question to myself. I just don't get it. I don't get myself. So you guys let me know on my first ATEEZ reaction that they're actually 4th gen. Because I said I thought they were like the last of 3rd gen. No, baby. They are the king of 4th gen. I get it. I get it, guys. I can only imagine how they were like live at Coachella. Can you imagine listening to all these songs live? Like, they're all such heavy hitters. You have no choice but to get lit with them. Like, it's just a given. Gabby, this is my public apology for not listening to them sooner. Thank you for the recommendations. I'm very pleased. They just look so good. The aura is insane. Their choreo matches the song so well. Heavy hitters for sure. Okay, I'm gonna keep up with ATEEZ. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!